If you get this error saying your project was saved in a newer version of Premiere Pro, the fix is simple. Just downgrade the project file. Let's say someone shared a project with you, or you downloaded a pre-made project, and when you try to open it, it doesn't open. So here's the quickest way to do it. Go to the website linked in the description. I have attached 3 downgrader links, and I hope one of them will work for you. First, upload your Premiere Pro project file. Once you upload it, your browser will automatically download the downgraded version. Open that file and your project should load without the version error. Keep in mind that some effects don't exist in older versions of Premiere Pro, so if you're using a very outdated version, a few things might be missing, but in almost every case, everything works perfectly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.